Okay. I'm sweating a little bit. 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
10 seconds.
It's still a bit creepy to me.
3, 2. No! Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to Rap Battles. This is the show where I invite a new guest on every episode to challenge me in the ultimate competition, rapping stuff. The rules are simple. There are 3 rounds, 3 different objects, and 3 scores out of 5. The winner is the person who gets the most points, and those points are awarded by our guest judge. This episode's guest judge is Ellie Strang, back for another round. As usual, judging will be based on the neatness of the rap, but there will be bonus points for creativity. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
No Issue presents Rap Battles.
On today's episode, we've got Ashley, the creative community manager here at No Issue, joining me and challenging me in the rap battle. Hey Ashley, how's it going?
Hi Ben, I'm so excited.
Excited? Nervous at all?
I mean, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I have prepared for this, so I would say mostly excited.
Okay, that makes me nervous, so that's good. Good to have that flipped around. Whereabouts are you based?
I'm based in Seattle, Washington, and we've got one of our beautiful sunny days today coming through. Finally, pretended to play all year.
Amazing. How long have you been in Washington for?
Forever, born and raised, bounced around a little bit, but I've been back in the city proper probably 5 or 6 years.
That's amazing. Okay. So so you're the creative community manager. What does that mean on like a day-to-day basis? Like what do you get up to at No Issue?
Yeah, it's really fun because it's pretty varied day to day, but the majority of my buckets are spent sort of building the community aspect and all of the engagement pieces for our creative. So a lot of fun partnerships, working on our social media, getting folks what they need to really succeed as designers and illustrators and small business owners.
Cool.
So it's a fun, mixed bag of everything.
Yeah, nice. And that means that I'm guessing you are yourself a bit creative, dare I say?
Totally. When I first was researching around this role, I was like, oh, this is my people. These are definitely the places that I want to be. So yeah, photographer mainly is sort of my true calling. And then
you dabble in other things. What else do you dabble in?
Illustration is one of my big ones. Doing some embroidery stuff. Anything where I can be using my hands is where I'm happy.
Nice. Are you ready for this? Do we know each other now? The weirdest thing is always introducing myself and getting to know the other people, and then being immediately great. And now
I'll crush you.
Yeah.
Round 1.
So, with that being said, let's get our first item out. I'm gonna get mine brought over to me, and it's It's a hand.
Where did I put mine?
Us reaching towards each other on camera. Okay. All right, so this is the object we're wrapping. We've got 90 seconds to wrap the first object. When you hear the bell, that means start wrapping. I see you've already prepped your station a little bit. I love your work. Okay, we're starting. We've gotten the word. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh no! I'm already all over the place. I think I've chosen too big of a thing. Okay.
Stressful.
It really is. It's every time I think I've got a really clear idea, and then it all goes out the window.
I know. It's easy to talk a big game until you're actually in it.
You sound so calm right now. I am so impressed.
I actually really love this. I think my favorite part of gift giving is the wrapping.
Favorite part of gift giving is the wrapping. My favorite part of gift giving is getting gifts. But I'm that's probably not a good thing to say.
No, it's truth will ring true. Well, I feel maybe I have not utilized my time very efficiently because I should have done so soon.
30 seconds. You seem like the kind of person, that puts a lot of time and effort into this. Which
how can I need to jazz my notes more.
Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. I'm
I can actually see your workstation, so the suspense is
10 seconds! I need to find the sticker. Oh no. Okay. I'm feeling.
No, I messed mine up at the last minute. Woo!
Yours looks like you're a professional. Oh no. I'm gonna get
I don't
smoked.
know. It's pretty crinkly over here.
This is.
Hey,
This is.
that's amazing. We tried to do like a floral bundle situation, but I think your thumbs up, like it's too powerful to be contained.
I think your vision and the execution is gonna carry you through. We'll get our judge in, Ellie. All right, I'll leave mine there.
All right. Well, this is interesting. If this was a gift to me, I wouldn't know what to make of a finger poking out. Like, I find it a little bit on the creepy side, so not sure about this one, but let's see yours, Ashley.
Oh gosh, okay. I tried to go for like a bouquet style wrap, and underneath here, which I've covered on strategically, these were the thumbs up stickers, but I've accidentally hidden them, so I don't know if that counts.
I'm not sure if this is more or less scary, that it's like a hand bouquet. But that actually does look very artistic, the little touches you've made on it. So
Can I add in on mine?
Yeah.
Really quickly. I've thought through how someone would unwrap it as well, and I wanted to make it as easy as possible. So there's this part detaches almost like a rocket ship as it's launched.
a hand being launched.
Exactly. So
I mean, that's pretty hard to follow. Like, he took it a step further. Points for that.
And I'll say it was definitely intentional, and it wasn't because I didn't stick it and adhere it on enough.
Sure.
Well, I'm going to give this creation a 2 out of 5.
2 out of 5.
And actually, I'm going to give you points for creativity
Not even for the
and
end.
artistry. So I'm going to give you a 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5.
Woo.
What did she get docked points on? I want to know.
It's still a bit creepy for me. The hand popping out of the packaging. It weirds me out a little bit, but it is beautiful the way you've done that. So.
Thank you. I'll take it.
I think what we learned from this judging session is that Ellie just doesn't. If you know Ellie, don't get her hands. Apparently.
I'm biased against hands. It's through the scoring app.
Round 2.
All right, round 2 coming in. Okay,
Really?
we're getting the second item for this round, which is I've got a sweater.
Okay.
Is that matched? Do you have this or something similar? Okay.
I have a sweater.
Sweater to sweater.
A jumper, as our friends would
Yes,
say.
that's right, a jumper. I've gotten word that the speed round will be 20 seconds.
Oh, goodness.
20
Okay.
seconds to wrap this,
Okay.
which is barely enough time to do anything. Oh God, I'm gonna prepare
3,
myself.
2, 1.
Okay, 20 seconds. I'm spending most of my time actually just folding this thing up. This is terrible. I can't even get the paper out. No! 10 seconds! Oh, there's a big hole in mine.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how fast the time is.
3, 2. No! No!
Oh my god. I didn't even get a second sticker on.
Yeah, second sticker. I barely got one sticker on. Ooh.
Josh, that is rough.
Yeah. I think more than anything, it's a lesson for anyone wrapping presents to give yourself a little bit of time. You know? Give yourself more than 20 seconds at home.
Yeah, I think we were overly confident.
This is sorry, and just to be clear, this is what you're going up against.
Okay. Oh, at least yours is mostly contained.
It comes apart the minute you touch it. Okay. We're ready for judgment? Hi, Ellie.
Hi. How are we doing, team?
So good. So good. boy, do I have a, yep, okay.
Okay.
Just getting right into it.
Yeah, that is not secure at all. That's all right. What are we working with, Ashley?
Oh my gosh, Ellie, I'm kind of embarrassed about mine. We've got one sticker, one folded corner, and one crunched folder that does not.
Yours is a really interesting shape. Did you not fold it up properly under there?
It kind of got thrown onto the tissue, and then we went like real hard
How
into
is the sheer speed?
It is what it is.
I think we've both really gone into an experimental kind of deconstructed phase of our rapping careers.
Yeah.
Like lazy wrapping.
I wouldn't call it I would like think about like getting like a deconstructed macaroni and cheese at a restaurant. You know, it's like cheese on one side, the macaroni on another, the boiled water on a, you know, so it all plays together in a really nice way.
Yeah. Ben used his power move on this round. He put the sticker featuring himself
His own
on
face.
this terrible puzzle. So I'm gonna give that a 3 out of 5.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Purely for the sticker. It's a power move. It's a power play.
That's solid. I'm up against it. Yeah, I'm feeling the heat.
And then Ashley, for your one nicely wrapped side that didn't quite make a sticker on it, I'm also gonna give you a 3. 3 out of 5.
Wow. Well done, Ben.
I'm
That's-
a little bit more sympathetic this round.
Yeah. Knowing the 20-second time limit. Could you maybe go into a little bit what the different communities we have at No Issue are?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got some really, really cool folks here. My wheelhouse is primarily all of our creatives. So designers, agencies, illustrators, anyone that's really designing on behalf of themselves or clients. Really, really inspiring, cool people. And then we've got our events hub team. They've got everyone from wedding planners, calligraphers, event planners, stylists, florists. They just did a really cool giveaway with a florist. Our two communities in particular have a lot of crossover because a lot of our creative design for events or on behalf of, weddings, stationary things, all those kind of things. And we've also got our industry experts team, which is really amazing. So that's all of our folks planning, shipping, distributing, giving advice on how to be a really eco-friendly, sustainable e-commerce brand. Those are kind of the three main partner channels, and there's a lot of fun crossover between all three.
Wow. That's so much. That's so cool. Okay, we're getting the next item in.
Round 3. Final round.
Okay. Okay. What? It's a lamp. What the heck?
Oh, I feel like those are roughly the same
They're
size.
pretty, yeah, that's pretty matched. They're
Yeah.
pretty even. All right, I'm ready. Are
Okay.
you ready?
I'm ready.
Good luck out there, Ashley.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I don't even know where to start.
The top fell off.
The top fell off?
Not to a good start.
You can do it in 2 parts. Okay. Oh, here we go.
Oh, goodness.
I feel like it always ends up being some sort of it's more of an engineering exercise. And let me tell you, I am not an engineer.
Totally, I'm where's my college degree is not coming in handy here.
Yeah, I was not prepared for this. Oh, yeah.
How much time?
Where are we at? 40 seconds left. Okay.
Okay, that's not so bad. We
Yeah.
can do this, and manageable.
Too bad. She says confidently. Okay.
Holy.
Seems like a. What? How long? 30 seconds. Okay.
Well, I thought you said 3. I'm scared like that.
Ten. This is some of the most innovative yet terrible rapping I have ever done.
Did you just say 10? Hands off. Done.
That looks good. That looks like one of those when you wrap something and like you're supposed to guess what's inside of it, and it's like a little bit confusing.
But it's like not actually a lamp. It's like a gift card.
Yeah, exactly. Like
Right
your friends are jerks.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, what paper do you have? That's fun.
Yeah, it's a nice one, right?
Wow. Oh my God.
I think because of the smallness of the screen, it looks much more impressive than it is.
I'm really, really impressed. You went the shape route. Wow.
I'm about to be red to filth, I can tell. Hi, Ellie.
Hi, Ellie. So I'm starting off with the best side. We've got our Eco A front and center. And then we've got a layer of our hand stickers.
She thought about brand representation.
Yeah, that's a key part of wrapping.
We've got like 6 stickers, but yeah, this is really the only side that I'm proud of.
And over here, I like what you did here. It's like a little scarf or a bow tie for the.
Yep. I tried to use tissue paper as rope. Would not recommend that. It doesn't work, as it turns out.
See the innovation though. You've got like peplum on your lamp. It's amazing.
I think if you got this parcel and like passed the parcel and you didn't know what was coming, you'd be able to guess.
Yeah, I think you know exactly what this is. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Ashley, I would rate that a solid 4 out of 5, given the difficulty of this round. Ben? I mean, it was really tough out there, and I like the creativity of the little rope, but I'm gonna have to go with a 3 out of 5.
I feel that is well deserved, and I am still devastated by that judgment. Wow. Okay. We've gotten all the scores. They're being tabulated in the corner, so let's see. Oh, this looks like it was like the highest scoring round we've had. Ashley, you received a total out of 15 of 10 points. Just the highest score we have ever had. I received out of 15 8 points. I only got 8 points. Ashley, the undisputed winner of this rap battle. I am beyond jealous of your rapping skills. You had the coolness and the composure to take it all the way through. And I think we could all learn a lesson or two out of your creative sticker placement. Branding comes first, always.
Oh my gosh. I don't know
what do you have to say? I know. Take a minute. You've got
a very formidable opponent, and honestly, I am still blown away by your rope, tissue rope. That was pretty innovative, very ingenious. Worthy opponent. I definitely. I mean, how can you argue with that? It's so good.
I think at the end of the day, if I had to really go back to what Ellie was probably judging us on, it was if I received this package, would I be excited or terrified? And I think yours were exciting and mine were probably terrifying.
I don't know, my creepy hand may beg to differ.
The hand bouquet. I love it. All right.
Oh.
Ashley, thank you so much. That's a very well-earned win on your part. And I appreciate you coming through, teaching me a thing or two about rapping. Thanks everybody for stopping by. If you like this video, obviously give it a like below and stay tuned for more rap battles coming your way.